Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see how to separate butter out of the collected cream from milk. So for that we will take 1.5 liters of milk. Here I have taken Nandini Shubham standardized milk, that is red packet milk. So cut the milk packet properly so that it will be easy to discard. Don't cut it completely, just slit it and put it to the vessel which is already rinsed with drinking water. Now heat the milk to get it to boil. Yes, it is coming up to boil now. You can switch it off, allow it to cool and refrigerate overnight. So before you refrigerate, it should come to the room temperature. See now the collected cream, collect the cream into a separate bowl. You can collect the cream twice a day. See, this is the cream which has been collected for 4 days. This is 4 days collected cream from 1.5 liters daily. So I have taken this in a mixer jar and adding 1 tablespoon of curd. This is instant. Just blend it for 45 to 50 seconds. See, after you blend it will be like this. The butter is completely separated now. Before you blend it, make sure the cream is extremely cold. So as soon as you remove the cream from the refrigerator, you have to blend it with adding curd. Now as it is separated, you can add half a glass of water to it, and just with your hand you can collect all the butter together. You can get it together like this. See, everything is getting collected together. It is coming up together. And do not waste this buttermilk, it is very nutritious. You can add a wheat flour and suji rava to it and make a dosa out of it. It will be very tasty. Or you can make sambar out of this. Just see how the butter is being separated now. Very good. It is around 250 grams of butter from 4 days collected cream. Now you can store this butter in water in the refrigerator. You can store this for 5 to 7 days. Now if at all any left out butter is there in the buttermilk, you can just use this beater and then beat it for 5 minutes, so that if at all any butter is left out, you can just take it out. Just beat it like this. It's a hand beater which is very handy. Yes, if some butter is left out which has been taken again. Yes, our butter is ready, which on heating gives granulated ghee. Very nice. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.